I'm going to show you 3 effective ways on how to fix USB flash drive with no media issues. 1. If your flash drive is not detecting in the flashing software. 2. If your controller part number is unknown. 3. The easiest way to fix any USB flash drive with no media errors. Also, if your flash drive gives you these error messages you see on your screen, then this method will also work for you. The reason why your flash drive shows a no media error is because the software that manages communication between your computer and the flash memory chips where your data is stored has become corrupted. And to fix this, you just need to reinstall that software to correct the problem. Also, please note that this method will erase every data you have on your flash drive. So if you have any important files you want to recover, please get help from a data recovery expert. So with that being said, let's start. I have inserted one of the flash drives. And when I open my computer, it does not show up here. Now let me go to my disk management and check if the drive is present there. Yes, the drive is present, but it shows no media. Again, let me check my command prompt and see if there is any difference. As you can see, it also shows no media here. So now let's fix the drive. First of all, I'll open my Google browser and search for Chip Genius and press enter. I will select the first link, which happens to be the official website of Chip Genius. Now, I'll click on download and choose one of the links. After that, I'll click here to start the download. From there, I'll click on the download and unzip the file. Now I'll run the application and click yes to proceed. Now you can see the Chip Genius has automatically detected your flash drive informations. So here, just right click and you will see the flash memory information sent to the clipboard. After that, I'll close the application and right click on the desktop, then new, then select text document. You can name it anything you like, but I will name it Chip Genius. After I open it, right click and paste the information here. Now please observe very carefully. All that we need is the controller vendor, controller part number, and sometimes VID and PID values. Again, let me show you one trick to easily get your flash drive firmware. Please observe very carefully. My controller part number is AU6989SN-GTC into bracket F500. Let me copy them somewhere. And my controller vendor is Alco Micro. Let me copy and paste that too. So finally here we have controller vendor together with controller part number. Highlight and copy. After I open your Google browser and paste it here. Again, please ensure that the controller vendor comes first before the controller part number and press enter. From there, check whether the search results matches with the information of your drive. This is the easiest way to find the correct firmware for your flash drive. As you can see, my drive information matches with the first and second results, but I will click on the first link. So here I'll scroll down and download the firmware from one of the links. After the download is completed, I will extract the file. Open it and run the application and click OK. Please kindly note that the capacity or size of the drive should be the same as what you see in the manufacturer's software. In case you notice a different capacity, it simply means that this is not the right firmware for your drive, so you need to go back and do your search again. After that, click Start to begin the flashing process. This will take some time, so please be patient. Now the flashing process is completed. This took about 20 minutes. So let's check if the drive is fixed now. Yes, the drive is okay now. You can see it has a capacity of 4 GB. Now, let me show you how to fix your USB flash drive if it does not show up in the mass production software. First of all, use Chip Genius to get your controller part number. After that, go to Google and enter the controller vendor and controller part number just as shown in the video. Then press enter. Now, from the results, look for the website usbdev.ru and click on it. Once you are there, it should look like this. Now here, scroll down and download all the software one after the other. The reason is that you won't know the software that will work for your drive, so you have to use this trick to get the right firmware. So now let me download the files quickly. From there, what you have to do is to copy all the files into one folder and extract them. These are the files I downloaded, so I will just highlight them, right click on it and click extract to. You can also extract them one after the other. That solely depends on your style. After that, wait for the extraction process to complete. From there, open the software one after the other and test them to see which one works for your drive. The first one is not working. The second one is also not working. In my case, the third one worked for me. As you can see, my flash drive is now showing up in the mass production software. After that, just click Start and wait for the process to complete. Now, let's move on to the final step, how to fix your flash drive if the controller part number is unknown. Please note that this method does not work for every flash drive. So if this method does not work for you, then please be patient because I'll be sharing other tricks in my future videos to help you fix this problem. Now, what you need to know is that there are two main types of USB flash drives. That is, the standard USB flash drives and the micro USB flash drives. They look similar, but they are different. One major difference is that you can easily open a standard USB flash drive, but you cannot do the same with a micro USB flash drive. This recovery method only works for some of the standard USB flash drives, so please take note. These are examples of standard USB flash drives. Examples of micro USB flash drives. The reason why this approach is not applicable to a micro USB flash drive is because micro USB flash drive and memory card have a single or integrated controller chip for the USB controller and the storage chip. Unlike the standard USB flash drive, which has two separate chips, that is the controller chip and the storage chip. So here we will disassemble the flash drive as demonstrated in the video. It is a 64GB storage chip. And this is the controller chip. And we can find the part number written on it. Just observe carefully. It is Filson PS2251-70-25. This is all that we need to search for the controller firmware. Now, I'll Google with the controller part number. I have similar results in the second link, so I'll click on it. I will click here to download the firmware. After that, I will unzip the file and run the application. Now, the flash drive has been detected by the mass production software and ready to flash the USB flash drive. After that, just click Start and wait for the process to complete. So, I've showed you 3 ways on how to fix your USB flash drive with no media issues. If you got some value from this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching, have a lovely day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.